This is a sound check of the new, I don't know, 2024 or something, Logitech K120 keyboard. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just gonna, put it down here. There you go.